Hello everybody. Trying for some time now. I've been working on the electric motorcycle called the TE-1 for quite some time, and they're in the third phase of the production now. There's 4 phases total, and they released their prototype back in February of this year. As part of the 4th development phase of the electric motorcycle, the specifications of the Triumph TE-1 have now been officially revealed by the company's website. According to these preliminary specs, the electric two-wheeler has a 130 kilowatt or 175 horsepower peak power, which results in an acceleration from 0 to 60 per hour in just 3.6 seconds. The sprint to 100 miles an hour is supposed to take no longer than 6.2 seconds, just as quick is proclaimed charge performance of the TE-1, which can be charged from 0 to 80% in just 20 minutes. That's amazing. Furthermore, the Triumph TE-1 only weighs 485 pounds according to the manufacturer, and the low weight also contributes to a respectable range projection of exactly 100 miles per charge. So if 100 miles per charge and you can charge it up to 80% in 20 minutes, that's amazing. The electric motorcycle's maximum torque output is rated at 80 pounds per foot, but the company described it as a smooth, controlled power and advertises neutral handling and a predictable ride. Unfortunately, the motorcycle maker has not yet revealed any additional information regarding the eventual price of the release date of the Triumph TE-1. This is Mad Mick signing off. Tatty bye for now.